Okay, so we can also use the law of cosines to solve for an angle. Now, remember the law of cosines is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. So this is our equation. This is our formula. But it does not matter what this letter is. This letter and this side correspond to the angle that we want to know and the side opposite it. So it doesn't matter that what we're actually looking for is B and in the formula it's C. We can pretend that this is a C if we have to. But what matters is that we're talking about the angle and the side opposite that we're trying to find. So we're going to plug in, so we're solving for the angle here. So c squared is going to be 12 squared equals, and it doesn't matter which one is A or which one is B between the 15 and the 11. We'll just go with 11 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 11 times 15 times the cosine of, and we can say B, we can say C, it doesn't matter. All we know is that that's the unknown. That's what we're solving for. So we can do this a couple of different ways. I'm going to show you, in class I showed you guys like the big calculator problem. I'm going to just show you the little calculator problem now. So if I am trying to solve for C, I have to get cosine C by itself. So I have to subtract 11 squared and I have to subtract 15 squared. So 12 squared minus 11 squared minus 15 squared is going to equal negative 2 times 11 times 15 times the cosine of C. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 12 squared minus 11 squared minus 15 squared. And I get for this negative 202. And I'm also going to calculate negative 2 times 11 times 15, which is negative 330 cosine of C. If I want to get the cosine of C by itself, remember, I have to divide by negative 330. So negative 202 divided by negative 330. That gives us 0.612. That's the cosine of C. And in order to find out what C is, if I know what the cosine of C is I have to take the inverse cosine. So inverse cosine of both sides, so 0.612, that's going to equal the measure of angle C. Inverse cosine of 0.612 is 52 degrees. So the measure of angle C is 52.3 degrees. I was calling this C, but it's actually the measure of angle B that we were solving for, 52.3 degrees. So hopefully that's making sense, that it doesn't have to be C that we're finding. It can be any angle on the triangle. We just plug it in like it's that angle, and the side opposite it would be our C squared. And then from there, it's just algebra.